Good morning, Pew Pew fans, edible, medicinal, useful wild plants fans, survival fans. I wanted to do this video with this portrait behind me because those are cactus. One of my favorite pictures that I take and one of my favorite plants to talk about is prickly pear cactus. It's edible, it's useful, it's a survival food. Point being is, I wanted to share something with you this morning because I posted just recently that I'm going to be back out on the roads, the back roads, doing dash cam videos this coming spring, summer, fall, maybe even into the winter of 2026. And I'm going to be focusing on getting new footage and new pictures of local Middle Tennessee and the surrounding area edible medicinal wild plants. All right. Change focus, be right back. Okay, now as I was saying, I'm going to be focusing on getting new plants, new plant pictures, better pictures, but I wanted to focus on a couple of things. I'm going to take some pictures from pages of this book. Okay, I'm going to be taking some pictures from pictures of this book, and I'm going to be posting them with this video, and I'm also going to be taking pictures of pages from this book. Okay. These are two very useful books, two of my favorite field manuals. I take them out into the field with me every time I'm going out foraging, looking, trying to identify new plants. And this coming spring, summer, fall, whether you follow me on Facebook, whether you follow me on YouTube, whether you follow me on TikTok, whatever the case may be, whether you're just following us for the guns and stuff, some of this stuff is useful. Okay, some of this stuff is very, very useful. There are so many wild plants out there native to Middle Tennessee that a lot of people don't know about that are either edible, medicinal, or otherwise useful for like who knows what, like for survival foods, making cordage, natural insect repellents, etc. I've done several videos about this the last couple years, some by myself, some with Bryan, some just driving around my own neighborhood. I'm planning on doing more of those this year, and I'm wanting to cover plants that I have not covered before. So this is where you come in. I need your help, local Tennessee, Pew Pew, and edible medicinal wild plants fans. I need your help, okay? I'm going to be looking for specific plants that I have not featured yet. I'm going to be looking for some that I have featured, but I haven't done a whole lot of details on. So I'm going to be taking photos from those books. I'm going to post them at the end of this video. And if y'all can help me to spot, if you can give me a general direction to where some of these plants may have been seen while you've been out driving around, walking around, whatever the case may be. If you're out walking nature trails and you see some of these plants, send me a text. Send me basic directions. I'll go and get fresh new pictures. I'll do a video feature on it, and we'll get it posted. Thanks for your help in advance. See you on the trails, or on the back roads, or in somebody's field. Quick side note before I do my pictures. Bryan and I have been talking about for a couple of years now, floating the Duck River here in Middle Tennessee, and identifying and photographing and doing some videos on the plants, the flora, and the fauna. My focus will be specifically the edible, medicinal, useful stuff, but we're going to be doing all kinds of different plants and stuff along the Duck River, so be looking forward to that too. last note, now that you've seen the pictures from the books of plants that I'm specifically looking for this coming year, any of the plants that we've covered before, there is a playlist on the YouTube channel of the edible medicinal plants, useful plants. Any of those that we've covered before that you'd like us to go into more detail of or to cover again, add those into the notes, the messages also. You can PM me on Facebook. You can comment on the YouTube channel, whichever the case may be, and I'll be glad to cover or recover something that you feel we missed or details that you feel we missed. See you in the field.